P is a number such that the cube of P is also a square. P cube is also n square. Is there a number like that? Is there a number whose cube is also a square? Let's write down cubes. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. This is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube. This is also 1 square. This is not a perfect square. 27 is not a perfect square. This is 8 square. Not a perfect square. This is not a perfect square. 4 cube is 8 square. 2 square whole cube is 2 cube whole square. Effectively, this question is saying if P cube equal to n power 6, then we are able to write this as some prime factorization whole cube. This is some prime factorization whole square. We're effectively saying only numbers that are perfect cubes and perfect squares are numbers which are something to the power 6. So 1 power 6 is 1, that will work. 2 power 6 is 64, 64, that will work. 3 power 6 is 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, 729. 3 power 6 is 729, that will work. So the numbers that work are 1, 64, 729. 4 power 6. 4 power 6 is 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 16, 256 into 16. That's definitely more than 1000. So only these three numbers work. 1, 64, 729. 3 possibilities exist.